Bonjour tout le monde, hello everybody, this is Lo from Lo App Design. So today we are going to see how to create openings for windows and doors. So first start, let's draw a rectangle. I draw a 25 by 15 feet rectangle as the basis of my house. Offset tool, let's create the walls on that house. Excuse me. 8 inches will be the thickness of my walls. Then we go P on the keyboard for the push-pull tool. Go up to 9 feet, and then we create the walls. Let's group all of that. So select everything by triple clicking, right click on your mouse and group. Let's draw a rectangle. That's going to be the ceiling and the roof. L for the line tool. Draw a line in the middle of your ceiling. Arrow key up, move tool M, and then lift up the ceiling to become a roof. Point it how you wish, doesn't really matter, it's just for the purpose of the example. And then draw a line, close those faces on both sides. There you go. So now we are going to create the opening of the door. Okay, so I took the tape measure, T, on the keyboard, went 4 feet from the angle of the wall, then 36 inches for the width of my door. Height would be 84 inches. I'm going to create the placemat for the opening of my window. Okay, so you take any dimensions you want. My window would be 3 feet wide by 30 inches tall. Okay, so now we are going to double click, sorry, on your group. So you access the face of your group. Draw a rectangle within the selection you made, the marks you made with your tape measure. Okay, select the rectangle. The rectangle is just drawn. P for push-pull, then you push that face inside the house to the limit of your wall. And then you release. Do the same thing with your window. So push-pull towards the inside of the house. And if you want to make sure for the side, you can snap it as I did it here. And then release. And here you are. You have your openings for your window and your door. Hope that helped. It would be amazing if you were to subscribe to my channel to help me out a little bit. Please like this video if you did, if you found it useful. Thank you. You guys have a good day.